This song is about Ali, who marveled at the beauty of infinite space while on his magic carpet ride. I hope you like it.
Once upon a time, in Baghdad's ancient land, a curious boy named Ali with the universe in his hand, gazing at the stars, wondering what lies beyond. Little did he know, his journey had just begun. Fly, fly through the cosmos wide, on a magic carpet ride.